Hey guys, I just hit 14,000 subs, so I want to make this quick video to thank you all very much. You know, like I don't know how it's happening, but it is because I'm so mental, but it is. And thanks guys. I want to thanks for the support. Also, here's a shout out for three good friends and well, YouTube friends, online friends I call them. And the first one's Just Carve Rob. If you guys can go over, head over to his channel. We do lots of bantering back and forth. We become good friends. Head over to his channel, give him a subscribe. It really helps out. He's just about at 500. And you guys, it takes nothing for you to head over there and hit subscribe. It really doesn't. You know, and it's free. So you're just helping him to hit the 1,000. Because when you hit 1,000 subs, you can apply to get monetized and you can have ads on your videos. And it really, you make a couple bucks off it. Trust me, you don't get rich, but at this point anyways. And it just really helps the channel out. And it gets you motivated to make more videos. That's not why I do my videos though, but it just helps. You know, it puts a couple bucks in your pocket, makes it so you can buy some tools and whatever, right, to show on your channel. The next one is Ben Studio on the Lake. He's almost at 500, and you know, he just carved that spirit fish. Rob carved the spirit fish. I'm not doing a poll for it, guys, because I believe it's unfair for Ben. I just want you guys to know that I think Just Carve Rob's fish is the best. You did a great job on that fish, Rob. You know, you really stepped up to the plate, and it's really cool. And I'd love to have that fish actually, Just Carve Rob. Hint, hint. But just kidding. But Ben was kind of put on the spot. I mentioned a spirit fish. Ben went and carved one. I'm sure he didn't spend too much time carving it. So it's not fair to put a poll up for Ben because Ben's Studio on the Lake, he didn't really try his best on that fish, I believe. So, which me and Just Carve Rob did. So, and having a poll on my channel wouldn't be really fair to them anyways because, well, lots of my subscribers are my subscribers. But you guys head over to Ben's channel too, Studio on the Lake. And please give him a subscribe. It doesn't cost you nothing. You don't, even if you don't like his videos, you might like mine, you might like his. You know, we're all different people. But just go over there and Studio on the Lake and give him a subscribe. And last but not the least is Rock of Ages. Okay, you guys, he's almost at 1,000 subscribers. He is a very, very charitable person. He cares, guys. He has giveaways, giving away axes and stuff like that. Like he sells tickets, not for him. Not for him. He does it for other people. If he sees somebody else is in a crisis, he'll clean up an old axe. And he's an old iron worker and he's a welder and stuff like that. So he'll clean up an old axe, make it look brand new, and he'll give it away selling tickets to raise money for other YouTube channels. So head over. He's like at 960 subscribers. He's almost at that 1,000. So guys, please, I'm asking you this favor. Head over to Rock of Ages channel and give him a subscribe. So you can leave a comment on one of his videos. Say you're coming over from Carving Fusion and Jordy says hello. And just same with Just Carve Rob. Give him a subscribe too. And Studio on the Lake Ben. And any other channels, guys. Cleaves Backyard, woodworking too. A few other, Mario Tata. Let's see, what's the other ones? There's a couple other. What's your name? You carve your wood spirits on that glass coffee table. Damn it, I can't. You do it outside in the glass coffee table. I can't think of your channel's name right now. Tim 1 or something? I don't know. But anyways, guys, please head over to those channels and give them subscribe. And thanks for letting me reach 14,000 subscribers. When I hit 15,000 subscribers, guys, I'm telling you right now, I'm doing a... Oh, Kyle Hall. Go over to his channel. Give him a like and a subscribe, please. And when I hit 15,000 subscribers, I'm going to ask Ben Studio on the Lake to get on with it. Just Carve Rob. Kyle said that he'd possibly think about it. Kyle Hall, woodworking, his channel. And so there'll be like 4 carvers included in the 15,000 subscriber giveaway. Okay, so we'll be live Thursday night, 5 o'clock Pacific time. Hope to see you guys there. Some good chat about carving, and we'll talk about some new carving tools I got coming. And hope you guys are all doing good and staying safe. Out later. And how could I forget Evil Rick, guys? Evil Rick. Head over to his channel. He does some, he's a pretty funny guy. Does some wood spirits and cool stuff like that. Starting fires with flint and stuff like that. Thanks.